through Peace Rugambwa, we have been receiving some items. So for us, we are expressing our opinions.
Ababona bagigahare nibetombwitira bamwe mu bakozi ba government hamwe n'aba State House okurubatira programu yabo hamwe no kuremesa Peace Rugambwa owatandikireho group egi okutunga obuhwezi obw'esente hamwe n'ebintu byo kubahwera okuruga omu bworo. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yabaraganise omu Karuru ake2016
kabe ntusaba mwamara kagitu gashikire kimwe mu State House, His Excellency the President. Tuenda kusema munonga sari musare akwa sari musare akatwereze bintu kubyakira agataho byagera abantu abenda kugara banisana.
Which pledge are you talking about?
How much was the pledge? What pledge was it?
We are getting onions. We are getting mattresses. We are yet to get even livestock.
Bakaba turetera mifariso, bakaba turetera bukintu cyona ko katubwire ko bwakira amuheru abantu tibabasa kutunga ibye bintu habamo kunyigwa.
Okwesharinga okwo businje kwabaho akanya kake aharguto orwa Rushoka bitu kuba abantu baza kweyongerayo okukinga orguto orwantungamo okuza Kabare nuko polisi eyabekurirwe DPC wantungamo Hannington Busheja okubaremesa ekabata mu kiboko otireho no kukwata abantu batano na za piki ebyatwarwa ha polisi eya Rwahi. DPC Busheja owayanga kugambira aha kamera zitu yajanga tubarikuza kwichereza abantu aba okukinga omuhanda. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Fred Turyakira Kabango omuri Ntungamo.